Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the best in beauty products, testing them out so you don't have to. Today, I've got something that promises to add a pop of color while keeping your eyes safe and comfortable. The Clinique All About Shadow Eyeshadow Palette in a pink honey affair. Clinique, known for its dermatologist-tested allergy-free formulations, has delivered a set of 8 silky buildable shades. These shadows are designed to be crease-proof, meaning they're perfect for those long days when you don't have time to touch up. And if you've got sensitive eyes, this could be your new best friend, as it's safe for even the most delicate skin. Now let's talk about what makes this palette stand out. First off, the shades in this palette are a beautiful mix of shimmer, offering versatility for both daytime and evening looks. With shades ranging from soft, neutral tones to bold pinks and honey hues, you can create anything from a subtle wash of color to a more dramatic smoky eye. The shimmer isn't overwhelming either. It gives you just the right amount of glow without feeling too heavy or glittery. In terms of ingredients, Clinique stays true to its commitment to creating products for sensitive skin. The formula is ophthalmologist-tested and free from parabens, phthalates, and fragrance, making it a solid choice for anyone with concerns about irritants. The texture is smooth and buttery, making it easy to blend, and it doesn't feel chalky on the eyelids, which is a huge win. In my real-world testing, I found the palette to be very easy to incorporate into my routine. It applied smoothly, and the buildable formula made it easy to layer for a more intense look. I wore it throughout the day, and I can happily say it lived up to its claim of being crease-proof. No fading or smudging, even after a busy day at work. However, I did notice that the lighter shades need a little extra attention for full coverage, especially on deeper skin tones. But nothing a good primer can't fix. Let's break it down. Pros: the palette's buildable formula is a standout, allowing you to tailor your eye look for any occasion. The shades are universally flattering, and I can see this working for a wide range of skin tones. Plus, it truly is crease-proof, which is a game changer for me. I also love that it's ophthalmologist-tested and free from any harsh chemicals, perfect for those with sensitive eyes or contact lens wearers. On the flip side, the palette could use a bit more pigmentation with some of the lighter shades. They're lovely, but they may require more layers to show up as vibrantly as you'd like. Also, if you're looking for a palette with a variety of matte options, this one leans heavily on shimmer. Now, what about value for money? At its price point, Clinique delivers a solid product, but it's not exactly cheap. You're paying for the brand's reputation and the quality of the ingredients, so if you have sensitive eyes or prioritize dermatologist-tested products, it's worth the splurge. If you're someone who's just after basic eyeshadows though, you could find similar alternatives at a lower price. As for comparisons, I'd say this palette holds up well against other high-end brands, but if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, you could check out brands like ELF or Maybelline, which offer similar buildable shimmer shadows at a fraction of the price. When it comes to build quality, Clinique doesn't disappoint. The packaging is sturdy and sleek, making it easy to toss into your bag without worrying about any spills. I also appreciate that the palette includes a mirror, which is always a practical touch for on-the-go application. The longevity is impressive. After wearing it for hours, I didn't experience any creasing or fading, and my eyes didn't feel irritated at all. Now let's talk about customer support. I've had great experiences with Clinique in the past, and they're known for being responsive if there's ever an issue. If you're ever in doubt, you can feel confident that they stand behind their products. However, I didn't need to contact them for this product, as it's performed as expected. As for alternatives, if you're on the hunt for a cheaper option but still want something with that luxurious, silky finish, brands like ELF and ColourPop offer excellent, highly pigmented shimmer shadows at a more accessible price. While they might not have the same sensitive, eye-friendly formulas, they do offer a similar quality in terms of performance and longevity. So what's the final verdict? If you have sensitive eyes and are looking for a versatile, buildable shadow palette that can take you from day to night, the Clinique All About Shadow Palette in a pink honey affair is a great choice. It provides excellent quality, delivers on its crease-proof promise, and features stunning shades that can work for any occasion. While the lighter shades might require a bit more effort to build up, the overall performance and longevity make it a solid investment, especially for those with eye sensitivity. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out the product link in the description below. Have you tried this palette? Drop a comment and let me know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.